In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Shopify opening soon page and remove the opening soon message from your store. This opening soon screen appears when your store is protected by a password, which is great while you're building your site, but not so great once you're ready for real customers. I'll walk you through exactly how to turn that off so visitors can see your actual storefront. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account. From there, go to your Shopify dashboard. This is the main admin area where you manage everything in your store, like products, orders, and online appearance. If you're not already on that page, just sign in and you'll land on the dashboard by default. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, look for the menu. In this menu, find and click on Online Store. This is where you manage how your website looks to customers. When you click Online Store, you'll see several options under it, like themes, blog posts, pages, and so on. From within the online store section, locate and click on Preferences. This is the area where you control important settings related to your storefront, including things like your store title, meta descriptions, and most importantly for this video, your password protection. Once you're on the Preferences page, scroll until you see the section called Store Access or Password Protection. Here, you'll see a toggle or checkbox that indicates whether password protection is enabled. When this is turned on, visitors to your site see the Opening Soon or Password page instead of your live store. To remove that Opening Soon page, simply click on the toggle to turn password protection off. When you do this, it means anyone with your store's URL can view your site without entering a password. Before you proceed, just make sure you're actually ready for your store to be public. Double check your products, prices, and basic design so that what customers see is what you intend. After turning off the password toggle, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually at the top or bottom right of the page, and click it. This step is crucial. If you don't save, the password protection will stay on and your store will continue showing the Opening Soon page. Once it's saved, open your store in a new browser tab or an incognito window and confirm that the Opening Soon page is gone and your storefront